Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get double layer protection for your Google or Gmail account. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, what you need to do, just open any web browser on your computer, and if you're using a Android smartphone or iOS smartphone like iPhones or iPads, then just use the Google applications, or you can similarly use the web browser also, like what I'm showing you right in the computer. So after that, just visit to google.com, and after that just log in with your Google or Gmail account, and after that, after logging in or signing in, just click on this icon, and now you will see here option written as manage your Google account. Just click on it. Now you will see here on the left side one option written security, right? Just click on it. Now under the security, just scroll down below, and now you will see here one option two-step verification, right? So this two-step verification is the same as the two-factor authentication, or which is commonly known as 2FA. So you need to enable this if you want to get a double layer protections for your respective Google or the Gmail account. So just click on it and just scroll down below and just click on get started. And now just put your Google account password or the Gmail account password again to confirm it that it's you. Now you can see here some steps. You will see here, use your phone as your second step to sign in. So if you're using any Android or iOS smartphones and your Google account is being connected, then those devices might show it here. So in my case, it has been showing here. So the first one I'm gonna use, that is my Samsung smartphone. So you can use the devices, and you can see here below, if you don't see the devices, then you can click on this show more options. Also you can get options like the security key or text message or voice or call messages, whichever you want. You can use this option also. If you want to use this option like text message or voice message, you can use it. So I'm gonna use this option, and after that I'll just click on, and now you need to put your, now you need to select your country. If your country is not auto selected or auto directed, then you can just click on it and you can select your respective country, and after that just put your mobile number, and after that below you can see here how do you want to get the codes. So whether you want to get it as a text message or you want to get it as a phone call. So I'll just choose a text message since I find it convenient. So if you wish, you can use the phone calls also. And there is more option. If you click on the some more option, you can get a security key also, or you can get a Google applications notifications. So there are more complex ones, so I will highly recommend to use this easy one by getting a text message or a phone calls. Then after that just click on next. Wait for a few seconds. So now Google is sending a text message with a code on your respective mobile number, which you have put here just now. As you can see, my mobile number. So let me put the code which I have received through text message. So after putting those codes which you have received through text or the phone calls, then you can click here next. So it's validating, so it's asking to confirm, so it's saying it work, and just click on turn on now. So finally our two-step verification has been turned on. So below you can see some details and contact numbers, everything here, right? So now you can just move back, and now just scroll down here. Now you can see here two-step verification is known. Now if any intruder like the hackers try to hack your account, then it will not be easy for them to access your account if they find your password also. Still, it will ask for two-step verification, that is a two-factor authentication will be required, and a text message or a phone calls will be sent to your respective mobile number. Then only someone or you can be able to log in on your respective Google or Gmail account. So if you have not enabled this option, that is the two-step verification, which is commonly known as the two-factor authentication or the 2FA, then you should definitely enable it to get a double layer protections for your Google or Gmail account. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.